Hi everybody, it's me, Ron. Here we are out at the Western New York RV Show, and as you can tell, it's a beautiful sunshiny day here in Western New York. Today we're going to look at the 2022 Tiffin Allegro Red 33AL. Steps coming through up into the front. I'm going to step back a little bit so you can see the color of this. The colors are beautiful, full body paint. There's a little bit of snow, so I'm not going to go in and start messing with the doors, the storage doors. You can see the side cameras on there. I'm up inside. Oh, what a beautiful warm day we got going on in here. We'll start right out in the front with it being on a Freightliner chassis. You can see where it goes. Nice cockpit. Have some storage up over the front. I have a bunk that drops down over the seats. I'm not going to move any of that stuff because I'm not taking a risk of breaking anything. We have a power recliner and a power love seat right side by side. Storage in the arms with USBs inside the thing so you can charge your phones. Cabinets over the top. We'll back up and give a view of what it is. All the cabinet doors are all pretty similar. I'm only going to open the two. That's all in the side that goes off the driver's side. You got an LG flat screen television, a Furrion 40-inch fireplace down below that also puts out heat. In the wall with USB ports. You're probably hearing the heater going. We're going to continue down along this side. Come into the bathroom area. You can see the shower. Has a nice seat inside of it. And you got the shower head, nice shower head. Porcelain toilet. Some storage over the top of the toilet. You got a max air fan, and then in the sunroof you got it's a snow roof right now. Medicine cabinet. A couple of little cabinets underneath for storage. Very nice quality, as you know, is always true with Tiffin. There's another nice little door. A lot of storage on this side. Coming into the bedroom. This looks as though that it's a king-size bed with a barn door. Barn door. You got a full wardrobe that sets off on the side, on the one side of the bed, and in the back near the rear. Again, I'm not going to try to pull on things to break anything. Got a washer and dryer unit in the bedroom. Fuses and all of the cupboards above the top. There you have a television in here. And here's where you got your entertainment stuff going on. Got a nice pantry in the side. Pulls out. Got a nice LG refrigerator freezer. Three burner cooktop with drawers underneath for storage. Convection oven over top, it's an LG. Got a nice big sink. Solid surface countertops. Dinette area or a desk, whichever you want it to be. We're back to the front. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share it out with your friends, subscribe, it's free. And if you have any questions, or if you have comments, or if you'd like us to review another type of RV, please leave that, let us know, and we'll do our best to get to it. Have a good day. Bye.